Hello, welcome to our Angular step-by-step course. Today I will discuss about the NgOndestroy lifecycle hook. This lifecycle hook related to the component and directive lifecycle hook phase. So you can create a component or directive by using these lifecycle hooks. Here we can destroy any component or a directive by using the NgOndestroy. So it will be called after all remaining life cycle hook. This is the final one. So we can discuss an example. So here I have created three components. One is a home, another one is about, and another one is contact. Here you can see I have given one unordered list. In that list I have given router link. This is navigate to that home page and router link active. So it is used to style an element. So here home, about, contact I have given. Route it is used to use it for the routing purpose. So coming to that app module.ts file, I have given routes here, path and component, and here home, about, contact, and after that you have to import a router module.for route routes. So then you can navigate that route. So here you can see when I clicked on this home page, it will reflect it to the home. You can observe this URL also. I clicked on this about, it will reflect, and I clicked on this contact, it will reflect that it is a contact works. So the NgOndestroy is used to uh, destroy the component. When I clicked on this about from home, so it will destroy the home. We can write a code like this in home page. Coming to the home component.html. So we can write NgOndestroy, implement NgOndestroy. Here we have implements on destroy lifecycle hook. We need to import this one. So here we can remove this and given console log. In the console log, NgOndestroy is called. Okay, so okay, we have implemented NgOndestroy in the home component. Then we can see that. So in the console we can see we are on home page. Now went to about. So we have implemented NgOndestroy in the home, then NgOndestroy called, but now we are in about. So when I clicked on the contact, it will not reflect. So come back to the home and you can click on contact and NgOndestroy, again it called. So when we implement this NgOndestroy, it will destroy the whole component. So then we entered into the another component, it will reflect in the console. So that is the NgOndestroy concept. I hope you understand well. uh, Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel.